Well, this is what I've been doing, folks. Got a little work done today. Not much, but I take my pile of. Remember to leave comments and subscribe. Thank you. I want to say that up front because I've been enjoying the comments I've been getting from each and every one. Even if it's comments you got questions about, put it up there. Okay. Got my material. I walk up through here. These branches are around the trees because that's going to be cut up. That'll be fertilizer. I go over here. This is my station. And this brown box here was old potatoes that are now inside of here. See, nothing is neat that I work on. Nothing is neat. It's just effective. There's another container. So I got 2 containers of potatoes and about 4 inches deep of soil they're setting in, and then a little bit of soil on top, maybe about 2 inches, and wait for them to just do their thing. Now, that's on my potting mix, potting soil. Whoa. That reminds me I gotta get some out of the car. I got 5 more bags in the car I gotta get out. Then I got my big box here of vermiculite, perlite. And been using a little bit of that. Leave it out here all winter. It gets a little water in it, so it's no big deal. Then I got one of the bags I was telling you about earlier. These are full bags, but just the bag was torn. So I got it for half price, $6. And that's how you do it. This is my little mixing area, which is a kiddie pool. It's a very small one. Got that off Walmart for about, I don't know, $6, I think. They normally sell for about $40, $60. I'll be $40, $39, something like that. And these are plants I already just healed in because they was in these bags here for all winter. And I said, I'm going to lose them if I leave them in there any longer. So now they're in there. They got fertilizer around them and everything. They're looking good. They're looking good. Now, over here, my watermelon station. This is where my watermelons this year are going to be grown. I will get each bag will take about 2 plants. This is compost and manure. And then I'm going to put my secret sauce in it to kind of spice it up a bit. But it's laying on top of an old tarp that I had in the shed. I pulled it out, covered the ground. So I don't want weeds all around the bags. I know we'll get some weeds, but now it gives me enough room to work around it with the weed trimmer. But, you know, just to keep the watermelons above the weeds where I got to feed and water. I need to be able to get in there so I don't want weeds all over it. And so I'll poke about 10 holes in each bag, flip it over, cut a big square out like this square that's right here. See the square right there around that information? So I'll cut around that and put my seeds in each end. Well, actually plants. I'll put plants in because I only have plants. And that'll be it. Up here, I showed you the yard. It's looking pretty good. I think I lost some grapevines. I got a bad feeling because the weeds over here, when my knee was hurt, took over. They took over, and it covered everything, blocked it from the sun. If you want to kill a plant, block it from the sun. Kill it in a matter of days or weeks, and it'll be dead. And I'm going to do some beans this year. I never do beans, so I said I'm going to do some beans. Look at this right here. This is the old style clotheslines. You remember those? Some of you do. And it's got some chicken wire draped over it, strapped in with the, what they call these things? Zip ties. And then I hung it down. I'll trim it off later down there. And I'll just see all the weeds right there, folks? All that's going to be just lightly trimmed off on the surface, removed, if you will. And then I'll just loosen the soil. And then I'll just put some soil on top and then plant everything on top. It's going to be cucumbers here, and it's going to be also beans. All right, I guess that's it. I got to get out of here before it gets too dark for me to get all this stuff back in the house. All right, later.